I looked at first to get myself out of the field on installations. I loved installations, but I knew that I would be better off focusing on sales. Once I built my installation team on, and then I began my sales journey of really just doing designs, the next thing I needed to build out was somebody that could assist me on my designs. So what I recommend is looking for one of your installers. That's typically going to be the best place to find a designer. Find an installer that has a positive attitude, that enjoys talking to customers and has a design eye and has an attention to detail. And if you could find that person, you could start slowly bringing them along the design process so they can begin to start talking and working with customers. And so that's how I would start to build my team up. You need to price your products accordingly, that you're planning for growth, because the money that you're bringing in now, if you're a one-man or two-man show, you're going to need more in the future. And it's always hard to go back to a customer that paid X for your product and now you have to explain to them, I hired 2 guys, so now I'm charging Y. So I want to have it as profitable as possible for you when you're getting your business going, and that may mean you're charging a little bit more so that you can afford to bring people on quicker. So that's my advice getting started. Find that first person to help on installations. Make sure you're getting your sales going. As soon as you bring that person on, your job does not get easier. In fact, now you got to figure out, how do I generate an additional 200,000 plus in sales to pay for that person's salary, and start growing your business. And you want to grow it so you provide opportunities for your people that they could grow into higher levels of the business. And that's why I'm huge into talking about growth of your business. It's not about just making more money or having more money in the bank account, but it's about an opportunity for your people in your organization to continue to progress and move forward in this industry.